Thank you so much po. Picture po tayo with the birthday girl. Okay. Ano yung location namin niya? Pakiulit lang po. Translate. Picture po. Yan. Number 2, si Elena. Elena, come on. Join us here, Elena. Then picture po. Stay here po for a while. Birthday wish. I-message na lang nung sa messenger. Siguro na sa inyo. Para sure. Okay, Mike. Isa. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Thank you. That's lovely candle. Come on. Blow it. Blow. Thank you so much. And picture tayo with the birthday girl. Picture. Adorena, picture. Yes, picture ready. 1, 2, and 3. Next one, Lucida Ann. Go, Ate Lucida. Stay here, Ate. Yes. Lucida Ann, what's your wish or message para kay Isabel? Yeah. Okay. Alright, go, Ate Lucida. Come on, what's your wish or message para kay Isabel? Mike? Ever. Ulit po. One more.
I wish that she's my best friend forever and ever 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 for all eternity. Ever and ever and ever and ever and ever.
Okay, blow the candle. Thank you so much. Picture tayo, Ate Lucila. Picture eyes in the camera. Come on. Eyes in the camera. Smile. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, next one. Maddie. Roldan. Go, Ate Maddie.
Happy birthday, Yam. You're always my friend forever.
Wow. Okay. Blow the candle. Ang idigit sa kanya. Picture tayo, Ate. Ate Maddie. Picture, eyes on the camera. Picture tayo yung birthday girl, Isabel. Okay, ready? 1, move closer. Lapit tayo ng konti, Ate Maddie. Yes, 1, 2, and 3. Very good, that's the lovely smile. One more. And now, next one, si Ate Mary Singayan. Sa Ate Mary, yun ha? English naman yan.
Hi there! Happy birthday! Wish ko sa'yo is sana healthy ka lagi, di ka magkasakit, at matupad yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. And also maging mabait ka, ha? Alright, yun lang.
Thank you so much, Ate Mary. Picture mo with the birthday girl. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, next one, si Kuya Harvey. Go, Kuya Harvey.
Hello Isabel, happy birthday. Gumising tayo si Ninong, second birthday mo na. Ang bilis ng panahon. Ang wish ko sa'yo, maging good girl ka lagi. Healthy, enjoy mo yung kabataan mo. Lagi mong panilayan si mama, pasayahin mo. Mahaba pa yung panahon, enjoy mo yung pagiging kabataan mo. Love ka ni Ninong kahit hindi na madalas na mapabisita. Pero lagi ako nasa tabi mo. Happy birthday!
Clap your hands! Once again, Ninong Harvey. Picture po Ninong Harvey with the birthday girl. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and now last but not least, the birthday mommy. Let us all go back. Put your hands together for Mommy Pearly. Clap your hands. Music.
Hello baby! Happy birthday! And wish ko sana mag-enjoy ka kasama yung classmates mo. At nandiyan yung mga teacher mo, sinusuportahan ka nila, yung mga friends and tita mo. Sa mga parents pala, thank you po sa pagpunta. And lagi mong tatandaan na hindi mo kailangan maging the best sa lahat. Sapat na yung binibigay mo yung best mo. At tandaan mo, mahal na mahal kita. Hindi lang ako, nandiyan si Papa, si Tita, Mesh, and si Mama Lina. Okay? Happy birthday! Sana mag-enjoy ka. Okay?
Yes, love your hands! The birthday mommy Pearly. Picture po tayo, Mommy Marley. With the birthday girl. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. One more. so much. Now, all the participants can please join us here. And again, group picture for the birthday girl, Isabel. And now, after this, syempre, last condition po natin, the 7 treasures. Okay? Please be ready. Again, the 7 treasures. Please be ready. And